and have special costumes. Follow me to the table. Now for minute, 15 minutes, I give you the menu. Thank you. No, I explain you so there are the special of the house is eggs with pink sauce and sugar. Then they are Iberian ham with last food. Then we have some salads, the Caesar and the tuna. For fish course we have risotto with prawns, special of the house that is was rice with cheese, mango sauce, Now I notice the waiter for explain to you the menu.
Hi, how are you? Well, in the menu we have food from some countries around the world. Well, we will start with France. In this beautiful country we have the fondue of cheese, avichifra, that is garlic soup, or a ratatouille. And for dessert we have canales or crepes. You can choose sweet or sour.
Secondly, we will travel to Spain with this delicious food. You can choose the typical Spanish omelette, but if you don't like it, you can eat gazpacho, a type of cereal soup, or Malaysian pan, and some hot dry clams. Finally, in the desserts we have custard and cream and rice with beans.
And the questions are there. Okay, we will catch it then and we will go to China. And you can eat. It was delicious. If we want something more.
You can enjoy
It's good?
Yes, it's perfect.
Very nice.
I have 2 forks. It is not real. Espera que me okay.
The waiter say hi.
I finished.
Have you finished? Yes. Okay.
It was very strange.
I think it's so dirty, this waiter.
Restaurant modern. Después se that white chocolate, chocolate and dark chocolate.
3 chocolate, please.